In this spreadsheet, we are going to create a spreadsheet to track costs and profitability in manufacturing a range of products. We first need to set up the spreadsheet. The rows will be individual products produced. The columns will be different cost-related items as labeled on the spreadsheet. Take a look at the document for a moment to get familiar. The columns that are calculated by formulas are highlighted in yellow. The sections in red are totals that use functions. Remember that a spreadsheet is primarily there to do calculations for us, so we need to make the formulas so it can do its job and help us out. The first formula is the total cost per item. To calculate this, we add the supplies cost, labor costs, and shipping costs. See the formula I type into the spreadsheet in cell E3. Next is the total cost of items produced, which is calculated by multiplying the total cost of the item by the number of items produced. See the formula in cell H3. Next formula is the total revenue, which is found by multiplying the selling price by the number of items produced. We are assuming that all produced items are sold. See the formula in cell I3. Then we calculate the profit by subtracting the total cost of items produced from the total revenue. See the formula in cell J3. Next, we calculate the profit percentage of revenue. Divide the total profit by the revenue and format it as a percentage. See the formula in cell K3. Now let's drag these formulas to the rest of the rows. When you drag a formula, it will increment the cell references in the direction you are dragging. So if we drag down, a reference to cell B3 will become a reference to cell B4 on the next line. Click on the cell we want to drag, then grab the box at the bottom right corner and drag. Now drag the formulas in the H through K columns. We can do this all at once by selecting all of those cells and dragging the whole unit. Notice that we need to fill in some of our data to complete the spreadsheet, and until it is there, the formulas are calculating on empty data, giving errors. This doesn't mean there's a problem with the formulas, just that the data is missing. Fill in some sample data. Now we need to use functions to make our grand totals. Use a sum function to total the cost of all items in cell E7. Now do the totals for H7, and then drag the formula across to the I and J columns. Now let's use an average function to average the percentage of profit. Check out the formula in cell K7.